Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the new Snowglobe card die set from Trinity Stamps' latest release called Sparkling Season. This amazing die set contains all you need for creating a card base that looks like a snow globe. You can see it here on screen, as well as a lot of decorative decoration pieces, so you really can create a vibrant snow globe. So I cut all of the pieces out so you can see how they look. You can see here you have your base, and you can also cut your base separately or together to get the inside piece that I will share with you here. So if you cut it separately, you will have a piece that is endless. It don't cut any edges on that piece. I just wanted to mention that. So if you like this, you have to cut the base together with the snow there. Then we have a decorating piece for the base. You can see the etching here on the die. I hope since it's glitter cardstock that I cut it out of, it's a little bit hard to see. And here is a snowbank die that you can use to create a ground for your house. And here is how the house look. It also has this little cute heart that it cuts out, so you can use that to decorate it and cut it out of multiple cardstock. It also has a roof, and here is how the house looks when it's all put together. It also comes with this little tree. I cut it out of some green cardstock, but you can use whatever color you like. And these funny looking pieces are for shadows for your snow globe, so it really makes them look dimensional. You can cut them out of vellum as I did here, but you can also cut them out of cardstock and then ink blend softly on top of your snow globe. So I will quickly show here how you can assemble this snow globe card. I put some of the new foam strips from Trinity Stamps. I just used some liquid glue, so I had some time to wiggle them around. You don't need to use that with these foam strips. They are adhesive on both sides, but I just wanted some time to wiggle this around. I adhered my snow to the inside of my shaker here, and you can see how the base looks here with the gold. I will adhere the roof to my house, so that's ready to go. And you can see I have my second house there, and a third one I created off camera. You can see the snow hill here. It's endless, so you can cut these snow banks however long you like, but if you like them to fit in the snow globe, they are super easy to just trim down. And you can also cut them together with the card base if you like. And you can see you can top a couple of the houses on top or to the back, and there you have a super cute scene for your inside. So here is two examples that I created. I will have videos for these on my channel later today, and I will also share a couple of projects from the design team. I hope you like this video. If you like some more inspiration, you can always visit our Facebook, our Instagram account, and of course the blog. And the projects that I talked about in this video will also be listed down below. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!